Thanks, Andrew, for joining us today. So today we're talking about testing, and specifically automating testing around the digital operations and digital business operations space. So what kind of problems do people run into when they're starting down the testing route?
A lot of the problems we see with regards to testing have to do when people are using some of the more abstract sets of tools that we bring in for digital process automations as opposed to the typical IT tools they're used to using. They tend to struggle with creating meaningful tests that are really exercising the underlying tooling correctly and identifying the areas that are either failing or not working up to standards.
So really using generic testing tools instead of the process-specific testing tools.
Right, exactly. So just as you bring in specific tools to deal with different parts of your digital process automation, whether that's BPM or decisions or robotic process automation, the generic testing tools that you used for your standard IT deliverables aren't necessarily up to snuff for testing items within that context.
So how do we fix that?
At BP3, within the labs group, what we've done is put forth significant investment in order to create tooling that works alongside of these various pieces of your digital process technologies so that the tests that you're executing both are intuitive to the people who normally use the product and therefore don't require a high technical bar to deliver tests, as well as delivering the test results in the context that makes sense to the people using those tools.
Nice. Well, thank you for joining us and talking about testing today. We look forward to more testing innovation coming out of BP Labs.
Excellent.